Today I am reviewing Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite 2024 is an exceptional blend of style, performance, and versatility, built for those who want more than just a basic tablet. Whether you're a student, creative professional, gamer, or someone who loves media on the go, this device delivers a polished and powerful experience without breaking the bank. At first glance, the design of the Tab S6 Lite is elegant and modern. Samsung offers it in a fresh new mint color, which gives it a stylish and premium feel. Its slim profile and lightweight build make it easy to carry, slipping effortlessly into bags for work, study, or leisure. The 10.4-inch screen, with a resolution of 2000 by 1200 pixels, offers crisp and vibrant visuals that make watching movies, editing photos, or reading documents a pleasure. One of the most attractive features of this tablet is the included S Pen. This isn't just any stylus, it's precise and responsive, making note-taking, sketching, and document marking incredibly natural. For students, this means taking notes in class feels just like writing on paper. For creatives, it means sketching and editing with precision. The S Pen also supports air gestures and shortcuts, giving productivity a boost. The Tab S6 Lite runs on the Samsung Exynos 1280 processor with a 2.0 to 2.4 GHz speed, delivering smooth multitasking and responsive performance. With 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, expandable via microSD, this tablet can store plenty of apps, documents, and media. This storage flexibility ensures it can handle both work and entertainment without constant worry about running out of space. Samsung has also enhanced this tablet's audio-visual experience. The Dolby Atmos surround sound delivers immersive audio, whether you're watching your favorite series, streaming YouTube, or gaming. Combined with the bright and detailed display, this makes entertainment on the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite truly engaging. One of the most impressive aspects of this tablet is its long battery life. With a 7,040 mAh battery, the Tab S6 Lite offers up to 14 hours of usage, so you can work, stream, or game throughout the day without constantly searching for a charger. This makes it an excellent companion for students, travelers, and professionals who need reliability. For productivity, the Tab S6 Lite supports Samsung DeX, allowing you to use your tablet like a PC by connecting to other devices. This opens the door to multitasking in a way many other tablets in this range cannot. You can open multiple windows, edit documents, and have better control over your workflow. Connectivity is another strong point. The Tab S6 Lite supports Wi-Fi and optional LTE, so you can stay connected whether you're at home, in class, or on the go. The USB-C port ensures fast charging and data transfer. For creatives and students, the note-taking features are exceptional. With the S Pen, you can annotate PDFs, sketch, write, and even convert handwriting to text seamlessly. This makes it ideal not only for entertainment, but also for productivity and learning. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite 2024 strikes a perfect balance between affordability and performance. It's a device that caters to multiple needs, whether it's for work, study, gaming, or streaming. The sleek design, powerful processor, vivid display, and long-lasting battery make it a standout choice in its category. If you're looking for a tablet that combines style, functionality, and affordability, the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is a smart investment.